Well, we got to know about Goldman Sachs last time, but since I started studying, everyone around me is always saying, बस consulting मिल जाए, life set है, पैसा भी है, and every week there would be a new problem to solve. कभी बोर ही नहीं होंगे.
Well, won't lie, I also have been hearing this a lot. What is this consulting all about? And how much does it pay? Maybe Sunandari can help us with this.
If people around you are not wrong, I'm going to ask you a very simple question. Some people say consulting is an escape from their monotonous life. Some dream to get a chance to work on new projects, travel frequently, and help clients fix their problems. But the most prominent and quantifiable benefit for both types of candidates is those 6-digit salary figures. So, is it true for you guys as well? To give you a perspective, let me tell you about McKinsey and Company today. McKinsey is known as the gold standard in management consulting and one of the most recognized management consulting firm. This firm has the biggest name, they have the biggest clients, charges the highest billing rates, has generated the most significant number of Fortune 500 CEOs. McKinsey employees earn an annual raise typically of 90% of their performance bonus from their previous year added to the last year's base salary. This equates to an average McKinsey salary progression of 20% per year. This blows away the 2 to 5% average increase you'll receive in most of the industries. That is why it hires most brilliant and talented people, pays the highest compensation, and has the best exit opportunities. And if you stick around just long enough and move in higher designations, McKinsey salaries can progress rapidly over time. Well, the McKinsey salary progression depends upon the experience accumulated within the company. Employees typically move from a junior level to a senior status within the same role before being promoted. McKinsey's employees typically spend around 1 to 3 years within each role before being promoted to the next level. If you were to enter the firm at entry level and not leave for any graduation school, you could theoretically make into a partner for as little as 7 years at McKinsey. So, wait, 7 years. So, if you graduate at 21-year-old, then you can become a partner at 28. Now we have to know what happens in these 7 years, right? What does the career progression look like? It starts with being a business analyst. In India, you can earn a salary of more than 18 lakhs per year, including bonuses in this role. And what do they do? In a nutshell, they analyze data and make PPTs. Sounds easy, right? Wait until you can even get into the company.
Let's hear what Mihir Mehta, the COO of Altuni, has to say about his early years at McKinsey.
As a consultant, sometimes people have perception he saved 500 crores for this company, right? Or because of this consultant or because of McKinsey, the company made triple profit this year. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. McKinsey or any consultant is just one cog in the wheel. The client and the consultant both has to work together. And the earlier you realize that, it always helps. Because then you start respecting the other party as well and start working in tandem with them. Again, this took some time. क्योंकि तुम McKinsey में हो तो थोड़ा सा होता है ना वो फ्लेयर कि अरे McKinsey कंसल्ट है, मैं तो CEO से बात कर रहा हूँ भाई, लेकिन तुम क्या लेके आ रहे हो टेबल पे? What is it that you are bringing on the table, boss? If you are just going to make presentations and orate the presentations which are there on the slides, what is the point? What are you doing in life?
Next is an associate level. It can be divided into junior associate and a senior associate. As a junior associate, you earn a starting base salary of around 30 lakhs per year. On average, senior associates at McKinsey make 1.8 times more than the junior associates. So how does an analyst step up to be an associate? You do what analysts do, but you also lead your work stream. Sounds easy, right? But this needs experience. Takes 1.5 to 3 years to reach from analyst to an associate. And we'll discuss about this point soon, so keep this in mind. One step above this is the engagement manager or project leader. They earn an average of around 70 lakhs per annum. Performance bonuses and profit sharing opportunities elevate this even higher. Project leader's role includes team management, client management, owning up to multiple work streams. You typically reach this level after 3 to 6 years as an associate. McKinsey Partners and Director position is the pinnacle, which involves higher management, multiple delivery portfolios and relationships, growing the practice. The average McKinsey and Company salary for employees in title position is around 1.1 crore per year, with a wide range of 75 lakhs on the lower end and 2 crores on the higher end. Partner compensation is almost entirely variable. You earn a percentage of what you sell, whereas directors of senior management or partners can make up to 1.3 crores or more. Partners lead multiple case teams and bring new clients, which is one of their most important roles. They are accountable to whatever actions they take and also advisories to their clients. But does everyone start from an analyst and go up the rank? Well, absolutely not. Remember when I said hold on to the point that it takes 1.5 years to 3 years to go from analyst to associate? It is not the only way. You can directly start as a business associate at McKinsey. Let me explain how. There are 2 ways you can step inside McKinsey for the first time. If you are a fresh graduate or have a non-MBA degree, then you can start at the basic entry level as an analyst and then go higher up. And as you know, the salary will be around 18 lakhs per annum. But if you have been hired after an MBA or PhD program, then you can join as a junior associate and earn a starting base salary of 30 lakhs per annum. How to get into McKinsey? And if you are an MBA aspirant or candidate, then you know coming into McKinsey as an associate intern is the best path to securing a full-time position post your MBA. For the MBA internship, McKinsey compensates its interns with an impressive compensation of around 3 lakhs, including all bonuses in just 2 months, a similar rate as the big 3 consulting firms. To put everything into perspective, that means that you will earn 3 lakhs in 8 to 10 weeks in McKinsey, which is approximately 70% more than a typical Indian who earns within a year. Does this intrigue you to know how to get into McKinsey as an intern? If this is the gold standard for consulting, this definitely cannot be easy enough, right? That is why we have curated 6 steps to land a McKinsey internship. Step number 1, build skills, experiences and qualifications. Step number 2, build networks early on. Step number 3, pass resume and cover letter screening. Step number 4, pass the McKinsey PST test. Step number 5, pass the McKinsey PEI interview. Step number 6, pass the McKinsey case interview. And to clear all these steps, you need to know some things. Number 1, familiarize yourself with interview-led case examples. Number 2, practice consulting math. Number 3, develop business intuition. Number 4, learn the case interview question types. Number 5, perform mock interviews. This can help you lead and get a pre-placement offer, that is PPO, at the end of the internship. You can always say, great points, Nandini, but give us some practical ways. These are just points, right? So here is how we can help you become a McKinseyite. If you want to learn in great detail how to ace McKinsey interviews, apply to Altuni's certificate program in consulting with live sessions by experts from top firms like BCG, PwC, Accenture, Morgan Stanley, etc. You can also get a chance to opt for a Dubai business immersion and understand how business is done abroad. Add to this a live business simulation and actual consulting project, case studies and guesstimates prep with mock interviews, and you have got a winner. Gain 60 years plus of experience in just 3 months. Well guys, I hope you like this video and this gave you a perspective, and I really want you guys to find this information useful to kickstart your career just like Kunal and Tanya. So I'll see you in the next episode.